Mercy, mercy me, poovakers. Or something smells in the neighborhood. Who can you call? Poovakers. When you just step in it, who can you call? Poovakers. When you don't have time for it, who can you call? Poovakers. We vac that scat and up the flat. Call us and then relax. Poovakers. You don't leave in the yard like that. Don't step in it. Poovakers. Ain't got time for that scat. Poovakers. Big Star just did it. Poovakers. Ain't afraid no poovakers. Cause poo happens. Poovakers. Who can you call? Poovakers. 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 Poo step in it, poovakers. Poovakers. Ain't got time for that scat. Poovakers. Bitch dog just did it. Poovakers. Ain't afraid of no poo. Poovakers. Cause poo happens. Poovakers. Who can you call? Poovakers. 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 Poovakers.